What's going on, Dragon Creed? So, I finished the painting. We'll get right to it. I went to the mall. We'll see some of that footage. There's a little bit of action figure hunting, so I know you guys like to watch that. I don't know if you guys saw that. You saw the camera fall. So this is the only phone stand that I have, and every time I mention it, I cut it out of the video during editing process. But I literally have to stick it to the table and just clip my phone in between these clamps. Usually it works on me, but it hasn't been working. Dude, that scared the crow out of me, bro. My phone fell and it kind of hit my hair, so I felt it kind of, and it slammed right next to my face because I was like working at the paper. It was like boom. I was like, whoa, golly, bro, that was scary. I gotta wash this and then I can continue, but dang, dude, that scared the crow out of me. Another good thing to do is to wash your brushes. So I'm gonna go do that right now. Say hi to Toby. He's scared because I'm wearing a hat. I got an object that he doesn't recognize, and I'm talking to the phone and he thinks that's really weird. But I'm gonna wash my brushes before I run an errand. I have to go get my car smog checked, and then I really like how, like, the light, you can see the light in his abdomen armor area. I need to work on the light on his horn. There's two horns that are supposed to go on each side, but other than that, I should probably fix up the face before I finish it. And I'm not done with the fire. The fire is not going to look like this because you can still see that I need to make sure that you can see it roaring and whatnot, and the horn. It's going to look pretty cool, my guys. And another thing I have to do is the belt. The belt is yellow. I don't know. Yeah, like right there. His belt is yellow. Here are some references of Dragon Hero, my character. But so I need to work on the yellow. I'm doing the belt last because the belt kind of glows. So the glow effect has to go over the paint. It wouldn't make sense if the armor was going over the belt. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm looking at right now. It's looking kind of cool. It's looking pretty awesome. I'm wondering if I should do a background. Like a light blue background. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I can just leave it white. Nah, I'll put a background in there. It'll take some time. Alright, Dragon Creed. Sorry to interrupt the painting, but real quick, if you want to support me and this channel and helping this channel grow to be something way better, you can help me out. My Patreon, link in the description. You can donate, and donating will help the channel grow to be a better channel. And you could also get access to face masks and other things. These are some of the face masks that I'll be working on. And I can only get them out to you guys if you guys help support me in the Patreon. You know what I'm saying? Another thing that I'm working on that I'm not quite finished, I started, but I'm not quite finished, is an intro animation. It's an animation, and it's going to take some time, so I'm going to need your guys' help if you guys want to see the channel grow. But regardless, I'm going to get this stuff happening so that you guys can get some reward for being part of the crew. Being part of the crew, you know what I'm saying? The crew. So, yeah. There's that. Patreon. Join it. The Dragon Creed on Patreon. What's going on? So here it is. The finished Dragon Hero painting. I think it looks sick. You got the fire dragon right there. You got the Dragon Hero. It's cool. It's cool. Now, there's something you can do to this painting to make it look. So, in most cases, like 99% of the time, we are all better versions of our past, am I right? So check this out. See that? You can see part of the old painting from underneath. I'll get a better angle.
You sent me a message first, yeah? I didn't snag it earlier and you want the fucking...
Isn't that cool? Ooh, it's kind of scary. But yeah, if anybody wants to buy this painting, it will be up for sale. But before you can buy it, I will paint a background to it. I just wanted to get this painting out in time before the video ended. But I definitely think that it's better than what it used to look like. This is Squirtle, this is Bulbasaur, and this is Charmander, and this
It's Pikachu.
Yes.
Look, there's a primer.
It's so soft, guys. It's like actually the softest thing ever.
Oh, it says please don't rub these cushions. Oh, on your face.
Oh. There's Common Rider figures. definitely better. So there's my painting for today's video, and Friday's video will be a gaming video. Here's a clip. What's going on, you guys? So originally, this video of Minecraft had audio in it, but when I imported it into iMovie in my stupid laptop, it just cut out the audio off iMovie for no reason. I have no idea why. But anyways, I'm playing Minecraft on my Xbox. I'm streaming. It was cool because the audio was in there, but iMovie's not accepting the audio, so I'm just going to voice over. Here's this small clip of me just on the Hive server playing a little bit. And if you guys want to see the full video, you're going to have to wait for Friday.